All right, let's see how you did. So you should have used mental math to subtract. They wanted you to find 265 minus 100. So this is very similar except for subtracting 10. Now you're subtracting 100. So when you subtract 100, the hundreds digit is going to go down by 1. So just like before, the hundreds digit goes down by 1. So we have our 200s from right here, 6 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the number 265. Now they want us to take away 100. So you see that they X this out here. There is no more 100. And I'm going to make that just a little bit bigger so you can see. Fix that. So there's no more 100 now. So now we have 100. We still have the same 6 tens, and we still have the same 5 ones. Notice your ones did not change, your tens did not change. The only thing that changed that was your hundreds, and it went down by 1 because there was 100 here. So we took one of those away and we got 165. 2 minus 1 is 1.